Welcome to this chakra balancing meditation, a journey of healing, alignment, and inner peace. Find a quiet space where you can relax without distractions. Sit or lie down comfortably. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Slowly exhale. With each breath, allow your body to relax. Feel any tension melting away as you prepare to align your energy centers. As we move through each chakra, visualize a warm, healing light activating and restoring balance. We begin at the root chakra, located at the base of your spine. This chakra is your foundation, your connection to stability and security. Imagine a deep, glowing red light forming at the base of your spine. Feel it grounding you, anchoring you to the earth. With each breath, repeat silently, I am safe, I am secure, I am grounded. Now move your awareness to your sacral chakra, just below your navel. This is the center of passion, creativity, and emotional flow. Envision a warm orange light swirling in this area, awakening your joy, sensuality, and creative expression. Breathe deeply and repeat. I embrace my creativity. I allow myself to feel. I flow effortlessly with life. Bring your attention to the solar plexus chakra, located in your upper abdomen. This is your powerhouse of confidence and personal strength. See a bright yellow light radiating outward like the sun, filling you with self-worth and determination. As you inhale, feel this light expanding. As you exhale, release any doubts. Silently repeat, I am strong, I am powerful, I trust myself. Now shift your focus to your heart chakra at the center of your chest. This is the space of love, compassion, and connection. Envision a soothing green light blossoming like a flower in your heart. Let this light fill you with unconditional love for yourself and others. As you breathe in, receive love. As you breathe out, send love into the world. Repeat. I am love. I give and receive love freely. My heart is open. Next, focus on your throat chakra, located at your throat. This is the center of self-expression and truth. Picture a soft blue light swirling in this area, clearing away fear, doubt, or hesitation in your voice. Allow yourself to speak your truth with clarity and confidence. Silently repeat, I express myself freely. My voice matters. I communicate with ease. Now, move to the space between your brows, your third eye chakra. This is your center of intuition, wisdom, and spiritual insight. Imagine a deep indigo light expanding from this point, clearing away confusion and enhancing your inner vision. Breathe deeply and repeat. I trust my intuition. I see clearly. I am open to wisdom. Finally, we reach the crown chakra at the top of your head. This is your gateway to higher consciousness, divine connection, and universal wisdom. See a radiant violet or white light glowing above you, connecting you to the infinite energy of the universe. Feel this divine light filling you with peace and enlightenment. Silently repeat, I am connected to the divine. I am one with all. I am infinite. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Feel all 7 chakras aligned, balanced, and energized. You are whole. You are powerful. You are at peace. When you are ready, gently bring awareness back to your body. Wiggle your fingers, stretch lightly, and open your eyes. Carry this balance with you as you move through your day. Thank you for joining me in this chakra alignment meditation. May you walk in harmony and light. Until next time, stay aligned, stay empowered, and keep your energy flowing.